Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Erwin Prasatyawati. I'm from Department of Industrial Engineering, Universitas Madura. On this occasion, I will present the result of our research entitled Estimated Profit of Rengginang Lorjuk Madura by Use Comparison of Hot Winter and Moving Average at Second Ahmad Dahlan International Conference Series on Engineering, Science and Information Technology 2020. Introduction. Rengginang Lorjuk is a typical Madura food which is produced by many small and medium enterprises in Sumeneb Regency and several other areas in Madura. Rengginang Lorjuk, made from sticky rice, whose price is dynamic. Price change do not occur very often and the range of change is not too long. In contrast to lorjuk or bamboo clam or encisle, which has more volatile price change. The availability of encisle supply in the sea is influenced by seasonal and weather factors, causing relatively frequent price change with a range of significant change. The selling price is determined by the average competitor price, regardless of production cost, so that not all costs incurred by production activity are used to calculate profit. In general, small and medium enterprise only calculate profit from the number of products sold. Therefore, small and medium enterprise of Rengginang Lorjuk must have a good plan in determining the selling price in accordance with the revenue target of a net. Due to a significant change in the price of the main raw material, which of course will affect business profit. To improve the accuracy of the calculation of production cost, the study used the forecasting of raw material price for Rengginang Lorjuk product as a form of anticipating mistake in determining the selling price, especially Rengginang Lorjuk, which are produced by order. So, research purpose, this study aim to address to need for monitoring the profit of Rengginang Lorjuk through several estimates based on forecasting of material price and the production activity undertaken. Previous studies have been verified by the author, but the most recent ones were identified as follows. 1. Smith 2019. One accurate forecasting tool for trend and seasonal pattern. Time series data is exponential smoothing. 2. Ki Suplalakpanya et al. In 2018. In hot winter, determining the initial trend value is very influential and the accuracy of the resulting estimate. 3. E. L. Castro et al. 2019. In moving average, the average of the time series data is moved across the whole data. 4. E. Prasatyawati 2019. The need for price forecasting for monitoring business profit in the future. And the research, Kakar 2019, I. Marco et al. and T. Desaklis et al. In the same years, conducted monitoring raw material by use Internet of Things, but on the availability of its product, not the price of raw material resulting from the reduced availability of the stock. Reset method. The reset consists two steps that are forecasting with hot winter and moving average comparison and calculation of production cost with the activity-based costing model. Forecasting is used to determine the cost of raw material using 19 actual datasets. Both methods are equipped with mean square error and mean absolute percentage error to determine the accuracy of forecasting method. The second step is to identify the production activity of Rengginang Lorjuk Madura. The activity are shaping, drying, processing, packaging, marketing. I will use determination of direct labor costs, and the activity are processing, packaging, marketing, and maintenance by use to determining of overhead costs. The accumulation of raw material, direct labor, and overhead are the cost of Rengginang Lorjuk production. With mean absolute percentage error, the estimated total of raw material can be determined. The initial step of the study is to predict change in the price of raw material using the hot winter and moving average. In hot winter method, the smoothing constant is 0.05. The constant form trend is 0.1, and the constant for seasonal is 0.1. To determine the initial level value and trend value, linear regression analysis is used from the actual data. From the actual data, it can be seen that from KRS, trend and seasonal pattern occur from a span of 6 months, while in Lorjuk or Encisley, pattern trend, but the seasonal data trend to be uniform. From a number of experiments, the seasonal trend span on Lorjuk is set for 6 months. The result of determining level, trend, and seasonal are shown this table. Comparison of forecasting results using hot winter and moving average method. Sticky rice show that hot winter and moving average forecasting results are not much different. In Encisley, there are significant differences in the forecasting result of the two methods. However, the mean square error and the mean absolute percentage error, the result using hot winter are better than the moving average. They are shown in this table. Activity pool and cost driver of Rengginang Lorjuk with ABC system. Cost driver of raw material cost is processing cost. Cost driver of direct labor cost is number of work, and cost driver factory overhead cost is number of material is number of unit product. Profit calculation of Rengginang Lorjuk Madura. The table shows the benefit of each type of product, where Rengginang Lorjuk type A or less size produces 500 units of product, where Rengginang Lorjuk type B or small size produces 600 units of product. The profit of each product per unit can see this table. Estimation of raw material. There are 4 estimations based on the mean absolute percentage error value from each of the result of forecasting on sticky rice and NC slate. We get the following estimated raw material cost in shown below, where the percentage is based on the error result in the upper and lower limit of the raw material cost. Estimation of profit. In the table, we get profit in type of product Rengginang, type A and type B. Last, based on the result of data processing, we get conclusion at forecasting. The price prediction using the Hall-Winter method has a better level of accuracy than using the moving average methods. The prediction results are in accordance with material price trend that have a pattern of increasing over time and are influenced by seasonal factors. At sticky rice, difference is the result of the Hall-Winter and moving average method are almost similar. At NC slate, difference in the result of the Hall-Winter and moving average method are very significant. Profit of Rengginang Lorjuk. Determination of cost driver in the activity-based costing system is each activity is different depending on the process of and cost. There are 4 cost drivers used: purchasing cost, number of work, number of material, and number of product unit. For estimated benefit of Rengginang Lorjuk product are obtained and are able to provide an overview of the lower and upper limit of the benefit that may be obtained due to change in raw material price. Future research, we can do it development of the scope of research in the direction of the company income statement. Comparison of production cost calculation method with the aim of evaluating some that this method so that the method which is more accurate with the selected case is obtained. For seafood products, says NC slate and other, price forecasting can be done with data mining in accordance with the variable that affect price change. In addition to data mining, determining pattern for forecasting goods or price that cannot be predicted is very good to do in the future. Those are our presentation. Thank you for watching and hopefully it will benefit of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.